In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts on Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a publish date and time so your content goes live automatically, even when you're away from your desk. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Patreon. In the results, choose the official site so you land on the correct homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and log in. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're on a secure connection. If your browser asks to save your login, only do that on a device you trust. After you're signed in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile picture. Click or hover over it and confirm you're viewing your creator profile. This is important because scheduling is managed from the creator side, not the supporter view. If you manage more than one creator page, double-check that the correct profile is active before you continue. Next, in the left sidebar, click the Create button and select Post. This opens the post editor where you'll set everything up. You'll be asked to choose a media type, image, video, audio, or just text. Pick what matches your content. Add a clear, descriptive title. It's required and helps patrons see what the post is about at a glance. Then compose your post. Write your message, attach any files, and make sure everything looks clean and complete. Keep an eye on file sizes and processing time if you're uploading larger media. When your content is ready, scroll to the Settings section of the editor. Toggle on Set Publish Date. This reveals the scheduling controls and tells Patreon you want this post to go live later, not immediately. Now select your desired date and time using the calendar and clock. The time zone is based on your device, so if you're traveling or recently changed your system settings, verify that the time reflects when you truly want the post to publish. It's often helpful to choose a time when your audience is most active to maximize engagement. Finally, review everything one more time: title, media, and date and time, and then click the Schedule button at the bottom of the page. Your post is now queued to publish automatically at the time you set. If you spot a typo or want to adjust the timing later, you can return to the editor and update or reschedule before it goes live. That's all there is to it. Open Patreon, log in, confirm your creator profile, create your post, set the publish date, choose the right time, and click Schedule. You're all set to post consistently without being online around the clock.